In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to update Wix DNS records step by step. This is a really important tutorial if you're connecting your Wix site to a custom domain, setting up email services, verifying your site with third-party tools, or pointing your domain to another service. Don't worry if DNS sounds technical or confusing, because I'll explain everything in a simple, beginner-friendly way. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using the email and password associated with your website. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your site's settings and tools. Next, from your dashboard, make sure you have the correct website selected if you manage more than one site. Then look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This will open up all the configuration options for your Wix site, including business info, SEO settings, and domain management. Once you're inside the settings area, scroll until you find the option called Domains and click on it. This section shows all domains connected to your Wix site, whether they're purchased through Wix or connected from another provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Now, locate the domain where you want to update the DNS records. Next to that domain, click on Manage Domain or Domain Settings, depending on your Wix layout. From here, look for an option that says Advanced or DNS Records. This is where all of your DNS settings live. Inside the DNS Records section, you'll see different types of records, such as A records, CNAME records, MX records, and TXT records. To update an existing record, find the record you want to change and click Edit. Carefully update the values exactly as provided by your hosting provider, email service, or third-party platform. Accuracy is very important here, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from working correctly. If you need to add a new DNS record instead, click on Add Record. Choose the correct record type, enter the hostname, value, and TTL if required, and then save your changes. Wix will confirm once the record has been added successfully. After updating or adding your DNS records, keep in mind that DNS changes are not instant. They usually take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, your site or email might behave inconsistently, which is completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Wix DNS records. This process is essential for connecting services, improving site functionality, and making sure everything works smoothly behind the scenes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.